Are you looking to strengthen your relationship with your spouse? While sex is an important aspect of intimacy, it is not the only way to connect with your partner. There are numerous ways to build intimacy and create a closer bond with your significant other. One of the simplest and most effective ways to do this is by spending quality time together. Whether it's going on a date night, taking a walk in the park, or simply sitting and talking, carving out uninterrupted time for each other will help you know and understand your spouse on a deeper level. By engaging in activities that you both enjoy, you can create shared experiences that will strengthen your connection. In addition to spending quality time, planning a trip together can also enhance your relationship. Traveling allows you to escape the daily routine and create new memories together. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a dream vacation, exploring new places and cultures as a couple will not only deepen your bond, but also create a sense of adventure and excitement. Giving your spouse a meaningful gift is another way to show your love and appreciation. It doesn't have to be extravagant. Even a small gesture can make a big impact. The key is to choose a gift that reflects their interests, passions, or needs. By putting thought and effort into selecting a gift, you demonstrate that you truly understand and care for them. Lastly, never underestimate the power of words. A simple "I love you" or a heartfelt compliment can go a long way in strengthening your relationship. Expressing your feelings openly and regularly will make your spouse feel valued and cherished. Remember, words have the power to uplift and affirm, so use them to build each other up. Ultimately, the foundation of marital intimacy is rooted in the love of Christ. When we approach our relationships with the selfless and sacrificial love that Jesus exemplified, we create an environment of understanding, forgiveness, and unity. By seeking to know and appreciate our spouses fully, we reflect the love of Christ in our marriage. To see your relationship with your spouse grow stronger, it is important to take steps today towards making it happen. However, it is essential to acknowledge that change and growth in your marriage cannot happen in your own strength. You need the help and guidance of the Holy Spirit. So set aside time to pray together with your spouse, asking God to transform both of you from the inside out. Brothers and sisters, when we devote ourselves to God and His plan for our marriage, He will exceed our expectations. He has the power to do far more abundantly than all that we ask or think. Trust in His ability to work in your relationship, and He will undoubtedly bless your efforts. In conclusion, intimacy in marriage goes beyond just sex. It involves spending quality time, planning trips, giving thoughtful gifts, and expressing our love and appreciation. By incorporating these practices into our daily lives, we can build a stronger connection with our spouse. However, it is important to remember that true transformation and growth in our marriage can only happen through the power of God. So let us commit ourselves to Him and watch as He works wonders in our relationship. Keep watching our channel for more videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel.